The Peninsula, North Carolina pressure washing. If you are in need of top-rated pressure washing in the Peninsula, North Carolina, this video breaks down everything you need to know about choosing the right service provider, understanding the process, and achieving outstanding results for your property. Our team takes pride in washing away dirt, grime, and mildew that builds up on exterior surfaces of homes and businesses throughout the Peninsula, North Carolina. We use the right cleaning solution to effectively remove stubborn stains, mold, and mildew without damaging the surface materials like vinyl, aluminum, or brick. The powerful pressure washer allows us to reach high areas, such as eaves and roof lines, ensuring a thorough clean that keeps your property looking its best all year round in coastal North Carolina's climate. By removing dirt and debris, we improve drainage and prevent water damage, making it easier for you to maintain your home or business without the added stress of frequent repairs. Our team works together to complete the full job, ensuring every surface is clean and free of dirt and debris, making your property look its best for you in North Carolina's beautiful coastal environment. From driveways to decks, our experienced crew knows how to navigate tight spaces and tricky surfaces, using specialized equipment and techniques tailored to specific local conditions like sand and salt air. At the Peninsula, NC, we understand the importance of timely cleaning and maintenance, knowing that a clean property can increase curb appeal and maintain its value, making us your trusted neighbors for reliable pressure washing services. Our team takes pride in serving the Peninsula, North Carolina, and its residents, providing top-notch pressure washing services to keep properties looking their best year-round. By choosing us for your pressure washing needs, you're not only getting a job done, but also supporting local businesses and helping the community thrive, one clean property at a time. We use environmentally friendly cleaning solutions that are safe for most surfaces, including concrete, wood, and vinyl, to protect your home's exterior while keeping it looking great. At the Peninsula, North Carolina, we understand the value of having a clean home or business, which is why our team works diligently to provide fast and efficient pressure washing services at competitive prices. By partnering with us, you can trust that your property will be thoroughly cleaned, from driveways and sidewalks to decks and siding, leaving it looking like new again. Our team uses specialized equipment designed to tackle tough pressure washing jobs on properties throughout the Peninsula, North Carolina, efficiently and effectively. Working together as a cohesive unit ensures that every job is completed safely and with attention to detail, meeting the unique needs of each property in our local community. Regularly inspecting and maintaining our pressure washing equipment allows us to perform high-quality work without compromising on safety or efficiency, giving homeowners peace of mind. We utilize eco-friendly cleaning solutions to minimize harm to the Peninsula, North Carolina's beautiful wildlife and waterways, ensuring a safe and environmentally responsible process for all residents. Our team takes pride in being available on short notice to accommodate the busy schedules of our fellow Peninsula locals, providing prompt and reliable pressure washing services whenever needed. Pressure washing can transform your property by removing dirt, grime, and mildew, making it look like new again, and increasing its lifespan with a professional cleaning that's safe and effective. If you are looking for pressure washing in the Peninsula, North Carolina, woodiesnc.com can provide you with free estimates, scheduling, and top-notch pressure washing services to make your property shine. Click the link below to learn more